Now the break, if you wanted to do the break instead of the simple ending, it's the same break for any of the travelling time steps. You turn slightly to the corner of the direction you're travelling in. So if we're travelling to the right, we will turn slightly to that diagonal front corner as we do the break. And the break is shuffle, but this shuffle will go forward and back under the knee. And that's as we make the slight turn to the corner with a little hop on the end. It will be a shuffle under the knee and a hop. Then we will take it forward to that corner, tap, step, ball change. Tap, step, back, front. So the break is shuffle under the knee, forward, back, hop, tap, step, back, front. We don't travel far, we just turn. Shuffle, hop, tap, step, back, front. It's just a turned ending rather than travelling. And now you see we have the left foot free to start the time steps to the left. When we've travelled to the left on the travelling time steps, of course we will now use the left foot to do the shuffle hop under the knee. Shuffle, hop, tap, step, back, front. So we're turning to the left diagonal front. Shuffle, hop, tap, step, back, front. Let's try single travelling time steps with the break. Two things to remember, only 3 times the time step, standard, and then the break turns to the corner, and then keep your right arm up going to the right and left arm to the left. Single travelling time step 3 times, then the break, then repeat to the other side. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, step, ball change. Shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, step, ball change. Doubles. Remember the break's the same. Is your right arm up, ready to go? Here we go. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, step, and change. And to the left. Shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, spring, shuffle, step, shuffle, hop, tap, step, ball change. Triple travelling time steps, 3 times and break, then repeat. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, step, ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, shuffle, step. Shuffle, hop, tap, step, ball change. And a bit faster that one.